Our refractory furnace have four main advantages. First, it has high energy efficient because it can rotate it and we can save energy and make more products. Second, it is easy to operate. After 2 days of basic training for new employees, it will be used. Third, the failure rate is low. The refractory material we use have a long service of 3 years. Fourth, when the copper liquid came out from the furnace, we can discharge the speed. Because we use the eccentric design, so the outlet will be kept in the centric position.